Dolly and Friends.
Where should we go now?
Oh, sorry, I don't have a map of a snowy desert, but I'm sure Santa's over that hill.
I don't think snowmen are hiding Santa in such an obvious place.
Oh, stupid modern gadgets. Hey, here you are. Can you see me? Can you? Listen to me here. Santa's factory is over that high, cold ice mountain. Go fast. Be careful. Clear? See you later.
Wait, what if we...
I can't go any further. Leave me here.
We're almost there. Come on. We have to save Santa.
I'm hungry. Lollipop.
Tommy, wait! Oh, what a pretty bunny!
What happened?
Nothing.
Santa's toy factory.
Watch out! The factory's under the guard.
We have to get inside somehow.
I hear something. Huh?
Kids, help! Get me out of here!
Look, the ladder.
Thank you, kids. Thought I'd stay here forever. Don't ever play cards with snowmen, nasty crooks. It all started as fun and bam! I'm locked in my own dungeon and the witch pig is angry with me. I don't know why.
Well, let's get out of here.
No, I'm afraid I will come another day. I will run away. No, I'm afraid. Don't be so afraid. Doctor will be soft and kind. She will check you up. No, don't be afraid. Look here, it's your teeth. You have got some dirt beneath. You should brush them well. Brush every day. I'm not scared anymore. I feel better than before. Thanks for helping me. I'm not scared anymore.
isn't yours. If you want it so, you should ask the owner first.
Hey, hey, look at me. I'm the brightest beauty here. I'm better than him, but nobody looks at me.
Oh no, don't you cry. You are both so nice and kind. Don't be jealous, kid. It will only make you sad.
Happy now? Look what you've done! It's all Tommy's fault. Give me the rules.
Great! Now we've lost the rule book.
Calm down. If we want to get out, we should stick. I see the way. Together.
How do you know that's the right way?
Because it's the short way. I'm first.
I don't like it here. Did you hear that?
Yeah. Panda? Where is Panda? Boo! Panda, it's not funny. Oh, you should have seen your faces. Well, Panda, wanna go first again? No, Tommy will be first. See? A piece of cake.
I almost died there.
Please help us!
Who are you?
I'm Panda. I'm Dolly. I'm Tommy.
What? Eddies.
Ouch!
Oh, it's truly you.
Look, we found it in the cave, and then we became cubic.
Skibbity bobbity boo. Look, you need this blue crystal.
Looks so scary.
Do you want to stay cubic forever?
No,
Come on, jump into the portal.
I see it, a blue crystal. Tommy, catch it! Dolly, catch it!
Why so long?
Watch out! The slugs!
What the?
Hey. Hey.